Okay, it's a presentation from SAPPHIRE, a product to wizard in the integrated ML from InterSystems. So, first, in AutoML, problem definition, you can select a previous row or create a new. I will select, I connect to one iris with advanced analytics feature. So in the problem I describe what I want with this model. I can test the connection. I created my problem namespace, so I can model definition create my model, my AutoML model. I select a problem, select the iris schema, get the tables from the schema. Okay, I will create from cancer table. I want to predict the diagnosis labels, all labels, and my model name. Cancer model tests 2 tests 2020. Okay, save in my database, and I will create in the iris the AutoML module creates. Okay, created. So I want to see my created model. Okay. My ML module. So in the future versions, I will working with training validation models. This is the first version. In this week, I will improve the SAPPHIRE. Okay, thanks.